Oh, it was a really bad time to sneeze on this cannon. Oh. Oh my goodness.